What's going on, everybody? This is Zacchaeus with Orthodox Daily. We provide search engine optimization services, internet marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and some other things. I was just going to take you through the new Google Analytics, but more specifically, how do you as a person, as a regular user, allow your search engine marketing company to see your stats, and how do you share it with them? So this is really for the average user. So let's just get right down to business. First thing that you want to do is go in. I'm using Firefox, but go ahead and type in Google Analytics in your search bar. In this case, I'm using Google to search, and of course you're going to get a lot of results, and it's the first one. So go ahead and click that Google Analytics official website. And once you click that, it brings you to the landing page, and go ahead and click sign in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click on create an account. But just to give you the heads up, if you have a couple of email accounts with Gmail, like let's just say for example you have a personal Gmail account and then you've created some kind of a business using another Gmail account, definitely use the business Gmail account that you're going to be using to create the Google Analytics instead of associating it with your personal, because it's just going to be better in the long run. Trust me when I say that. I'm not going to go into explanation, but yeah. Anyway, so sign in, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And now that you've signed in, I just want to show you a few different things that are going on with the new Google Analytics. There's a difference now between what they call accounts and profiles. Profiles are individual, it's going to be confusing, but profiles are individual accounts that are associated with a main account. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about here. You can see on the left hand side of the screen as I scroll down, there's a bunch of main accounts. Now, my company is called Orthodox Daily, and we manage a bunch of different profiles and accounts. So as you can see underneath Orthodox Daily, okay, there's a bunch of different profiles. A lot of these are smaller profiles that really I run on a personal level, and are not really associated with any of our clients. If you are setting up a new account, you want to use actually set up a complete account rather than an actual profile. And really this is what it means. If you're a person that you want to share your own information with a search engine optimization company, you'll create your account with Gmail, you'll create your account in Google Analytics, and then you'll actually share the specific account with your search engine marketing company. And let me give you an example. Okay, here's an account right here. I'm going to click it. It's going to drop down again. I'm going to click it again, and it opens up the actual account for this individual company. Now from here, you'll want to click on admin, okay, and then you'll go into users, and then here you can see all of the users that have been given rights to see this specific account. And let me show you the difference between that and Orthodox Dailies. If I click on Orthodox Daily, or hover over it rather, you can see that there's a bunch of different profiles associated with this. So let's just take for example this one. If I click it and open it up, what you're going to be able to see is if you go under admin and then users, you can see that there's two people that are going to be able to see this specific profile that's listed under Orthodox Daily. So you can see here's the breadcrumb path right here. It says all accounts, Orthodox Daily, and now we're inside of New Cardio Heart Center. And this isn't really the way that it should be set up if this specific company is sharing the stats with a search engine marketing company. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to set up an individual account to be able to share with your search engine marketing company or someone that you want to have access to your data, rather than creating a new profile. And that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. So that's the intro to the difference between profiles and accounts. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll break that down. Thanks a lot.